Hey guys, Mr. B here, bringing you another lovely video. This video is on simplifying perfect cubes. So in simplifying a perfect cube, a lot like simplifying a square root. So let me just do a square root one for example, because most people have seen these before. So if you have something like the square root of 50, that is said to be unsimplified. And the reason that it is unsimplified is because if you look at your list of perfect squares, so 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on, one of these perfect squares divides 50. So you can see 25 divides 50. So 50 divided by 25 is 2. So basically what that means is we can rewrite 50 as 25 times 2. And then we can go ahead and take the square root of each of those numbers. 25 times the square root of 2. And of course the square root of 25 is 5. And that leaves us with 5 root 2, or get rid of a little dot there, 5, 2. So the reason why it's not a perfect, it's simplifiable, I guess I'll say, is that there's a perfect square that divides into the radicand, and this guy is the radicand. Let me spell that. Radicand. So let's have a look at a cube that's simplifiable. So let's look at 3 root 56. So it's actually a little bit easier to simplify these guys because the list of perfect cubes is the ones that really the numbers that you'll see will be a lot smaller. So 1, 8, 27, 64, then the next one escapes my mind. So that will be 5 times 5 times 5, and I'm just generating this list, guys, by multiplying, and the next one 6 times 6 times 6, so I just take a number and multiply it by itself 3 times, 216. So when you get something like 56, I mean the numbers that you get to choose from is a lot less than the numbers that, say, you have with perfect squares, so it should be kind of easy. So if you look at this list, the only real number that has a possibility is 8, and 56 divided by 8, of course, is 7. So we can rewrite this guy as the perfect cube times the number. So then we can take the cube root of each of these guys, just like that. Don't forget to write the little 3's there to represent cube root. Then the cube root of 8 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Excuse me. And then cube root 7. So there's my simplified cube root. Let's try another one. Let's do 3 root 108. So you can list out your cube roots again. So 1, 8, 27, 64, 216, so on. And 108, so you might try 8. So if I try 8, 108 divided by 8. So that's not going to work. I get 13.5. 108 divided by 27. I don't think that one will work. 108 divided by 27 actually works. It's 4. So there you go. So we have 27 times 4. So cube root of 27 times cube root of 4. Cube root of 27, 3 times 3 times 3, so it's 3 cube root 4. And there you go. And don't be confused. 4 is a perfect square, but it's not a perfect cube. Let's try one more. So let's go with a number in front this time, and then you have 192. So 2 times the cube root of 192. You got to think about our list of perfect cubes again. 64, 216. Don't need to go any higher than that. Really didn't even need 216 there. So I'm going to start backwards. I'm going to try 64 this time just because I have an inkling that might be the one. And it is, absolutely. So it's going to be, 192 divided by 64 is 3. So we can rewrite this guy as 64 times 3. And then we'll break that up into its individual cube roots. 64, cube root of 3. So the cube root of 64 is 4. So when I get that number, I have 2 times 4 cube root of 3. So I can multiply these two guys together, and then that changes to 8. So you got to remember, you always multiply the numbers on the outside. So that leaves me with the simplified cube root right there. So guys, I hope this video helped. Best of luck, and I'll see you guys in class. Thanks for watching.